Hi, we are at -1 degrees. Our fridge won't start, so we are trying a trick. We installed a heater. We take out the fridge first. We left this for 5 minutes around, and now we'll try to see if it starts. This is an imperfect contact here. Try to change this in the best one. Maybe that one is the best one. This. Let me fix this a bit. We have to verify this is on. And be on the 3 position. Let's increase it a bit. Still no power on. You see the heater, it's working. Don't know if the sensor is right down there. It's still pretty cold. We'll go into return in a few. We should let it for 30 minutes to see if this works. We'll come back later to see if this starts. Okay, the freeze started now. It's been almost half an hour. We could take the heater out from here. So looks like this little thing did his job. It's only 900 watts, so we didn't waste a lot of power. Put this horizontally, it will turn it off. It has a pin here. We can unplug it now. I'll just put the phone to hear the fridge noise. Okay. So thanks for watching, and if it's very cold in your area, you should try this.